What is up, everybody? I am Mumphy. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, thank you so much for joining. Just got back from a ride on this Husky. Down here at down in Moab, as you can kind of tell from the background. But still bringing you a video on a new addition to the taco. So I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. If you like this video, smash that like button. I appreciate it. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. You may hear some razors going by. We are kind of off of one of the roadways up here. So what I got for you today, I'm going to be adding a tactical seat back equipment for a car. Basically just a Molle panel for behind the seat. So let's get into this video. So you might be asking yourself, why put a Molle panel on the back seat of your vehicle? Well, storage options. The route that I'm kind of going, I definitely want to have more storage options, like hanging a weapon in the back or a first aid kit, just things that are going to be kind of essential later on down the line when doing some of the overlanding stuff that I want to be doing. I may not always have a weapon attached to this. I may have more practical items, flashlights, knives, other pouches just to contain other options, fire starting kits, things like that. I did get this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. I also have a complete kit list of everything that I've put on the Tacoma so far, where I got them, where you guys can pick them up at. Some are affiliate links, others are not, but if you want a complete list of everything that I have, where I got them, check out the kit list for all of the mods that I've done to the Tacoma, and I'm updating them as I add more. So let's get into this and open this box up. Thought I'd use a knife, but looks like the tape has already been used up. So take it out of its bubble wrap, back in the box here, and as you can see, it is a full Molle panel. Looks like it does have a coating, so it does have a plastic coating on it. We can remove that on both ends. Looks like it has a couple of attachment points already. So you have a couple of Velcro patches, and then you have your main wrap buckles. So one's going to go around the headrest, and then the other two are going to go around the seat back. Let's go ahead and just take off all this plastic. Because I am in the great outdoors, I'm going to make sure that we clean up our mess. Alright, we'll just make sure that we clean up our messes, so that way we're leaving the campground better than the way we found it. Now we've got all of the plastic cleaned off of this, let's go install it into the truck. Alright, here we are up against the driver's side. I may end up doing this along both seats, but at the moment I just want to try out the one. I am going to put it on the back of the driver's seat. What we can do is I've already unbuckled a couple of the straps there that we're going to wrap around the base. This one here is going to go around the headrest, and I'll go ahead and remove my scarf, my schma, move that out of the way. Just unbuckle this and just leave it around the headrest just like that. Alright, now we can tighten this up just so it sits where we're going to want it. I think the other thing we're going to want to do is figure out where we want to buckle these around the lower section of the seat. And that's going to go around the front. So, alright, so I'm going to have to figure this out, and then I'll bring you back. Alright, so I got one in, and what I'm kind of finding out here is these might be made more specifically for the non-electronic seats in the Tacoma, because the new 2020s have an electric front seat, and the Tacoma's moving forward from there. You have to kind of get creative. So what I've done is I've basically taken one of the straps completely apart that had one of the buckles. What I have to do is I have to feed it down through the side section of the seat, and I'll show you here in a second. So that way I can reassemble the buckle and tie it to the bottom buckle holding the Molle panel in, and then I can kind of cinch it up and tighten it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the other side of the Molle panel situated with this strap, and then I'm going to show you how I got this all set up. Alright, so getting the bottom two clips around the anchor points of the front seat is a little bit challenging, but I'm going to bring you in and kind of show you how I did it, because now I can go ahead and I can cinch up the top basically to tighten this whole thing up, and now I can add all sorts of stuff to this Molle panel back behind the driver's seat. Alright, so let me bring you in and show you how I got the bottom buckles situated. Okay, so as you can see, it does wrap around the plastic housing for the seat and then actually comes up underneath the seat cushion. So I had to take this strap and wrap it around the front and come back through underneath here in order to get this strap around and secured. Now the passenger side is kind of the same, it's the same thing. So as I bring it around to the front, you can kind of see down through the gap here. You can see through the seat there. See the light from the back of the seat. So I ran the strap back down through there and around, and then just reassembled the strap with the buckle to make that connection. Now for the other side, because you still need to do the other side, it's kind of the same thing. You can basically push the strap down through the center of the buckle, feed it through, and then you can feel up underneath the seat cushion and then run your buckle side down along the center console. The buckle then wraps around, comes up underneath the fabric here, the seat cushion or the seat wrap, and then you're able to just kind of reassemble the buckle and connect it back together. Now that we've done that, we can tighten up the top, and this install is done. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and tighten up the top here. Give you a nice clean look. Awesome. Well guys, that's going to wrap it up for this install video. Tell me, what do you think about this Molle system for the back of your seats? Is it something that you're interested in? Maybe something considering extra storage options for out on the trails, or just kind of whatever. You know, what would you use it for? Let me know down in the comment section below, and be sure to smash that like button. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Still working on my 1,000 subscribers, and at 1,000 I definitely want to do a big giveaway. So if this is the video that made you decide to smash that subscribe button, thank you so much. Look forward to more videos. We'll catch you in the next video.
Perfect.
Peace.
Perfect.